I already got the VOCOlinc smart bulb 2-pack, and I'm going to show you how these things work and show you my experience through setting them up. These were sent to me for evaluation purposes so I could show them to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. All right, first off, they come in a 2-pack. This is the L4 model. It comes with 2 light bulbs, which I have one here and one here, and it comes with a set of instructions, and you are going to have to download the VOCOlinc app, which looks like this. Just to give you an idea of the size of these, this is the GE Reveal LED. It actually looks exactly the same. You can see the reveal on there and the VOCOlinc. I mean, they really look identical. They're the same size and everything. So obviously the cool thing about these lights is they're smart bulbs. They work with the Apple Homekit, they work with Google, and they also work with Alexa. When you tie these things in, you're going to have to sign into your Apple account, your Google account, or your Amazon account to tie these into those devices. Pretty common thing these days. When you first get this, you're going to download the VOCOlinc app, and you're going to have to sign into it. And once you've got it all going, you'll have to put your router information in, because this is a smart bulb that needs to tie to your router. And it works on 2.4 gigahertz router. Try to make it a little bit darker in here, except for the light behind me. So with the VOCOlinc app, you can just turn this thing on right here. The light comes on, tap on the icon, and it gives you all kinds of features. You can change the color settings directly, or you can edit them to any color feature that you want. So if we wanted to, we could turn this red. And then there's a brightness feature on here. We could drag the brightness up and change it. Hopefully you can see this. And it does the same thing with the whites and the greens and everything else. So for instance, Christmas time, you could have a red bulb and a green bulb. For Halloween time, we could drag it to the spectrum, turn it orange. With this feature here, you can just drag your finger around, touch it wherever you want, and it will change the color. Touch it in the middle, you get white, around, and then you can adjust the brightness on each of these. So it has a schedule feature on here. It's kind of like the alarm clock on my phone anywhere, where I can set it to repeat every day, or just weekdays or weekends. And it has like a wake up feature where it'll slowly dim the light bulb up. You can also set schedule to turn off. So if you're getting up from work, you can have it turn on for you. And you can set multiple schedules on here. The whole time I've been filming this video, I've had the light bulb on the whole time, and it is not even warm at all. Totally cool. So if you're looking for a pair of smart light bulbs to add some ambiance to your house, or something that you can control via a schedule, via an app, turn off, turn on whenever you want. When you're getting home from work, when you're getting up in the morning, maybe great for a kid's room where they can change it and make it any color they want. This one's pretty awesome. So check out this L4 2-pack by VOCOlinc. Check it out.